Hey everyone, it is Bordeaux Rose here coming at you real quick because I want to talk to you real quick about damaged hair, about how to prevent your hair from getting burned with a flat iron, heat damage, breakage, all that good stuff when you are in the straight state. So if you look back on some of my videos, you saw that I had a bun, I had Bantu knot outs, all that good stuff, right? But today she's back. The fro is back. She's back. She's not playing any games. She's been holding hostage. But she's back now, or she's been held hostage, but she's back now. And I have to be honest, I thought I might lose her because I washed, conditioned, and flat ironed and blow dried my hair twice in the last 2 weeks. I had to say a prayer. I was like, dear Lord, I really hope that these steps that I'm using work, because I want to come back and tell my people so that they can be up on it and they don't burn their hair at home. Now, I could use a good trim because I don't know how to trim my own hair, and I don't know where to find somebody here in Miami to actually safely blow out, flat iron, and trim my hair. So I don't have a trim. That's the one thing that I don't have. But I'm going to tell you the steps that I used when I was blow drying my hair and how I was able to keep my hair from burning, from getting heat damage or breakage. Because as you can see, she's still very, very healthy. Very healthy. Yeah, look back at my videos. You can see before I flat ironed, that's what my hair did. But anyway, so number one, shampoo with a cleansing shampoo, not a sulfate-free shampoo. Use one that is going to clean your hair of all products. So a, what do you call it? Clarifying shampoo, I guess. But really all you need to use is a cheap shampoo that has sulfates in it. Okay? Tell them I said it. What are they going to do? Fight me? I don't care. Anyway, that's the number one step, because you need to get all the product off of your hair so that your hair is completely clean. You have a clean slate. There's nothing that's going to make your hair burn unevenly on the coating your strands, okay? So you want to clean your hair, make it a clean slate, okay? Then you need to get a conditioner that is very, very moisturizing. I would tell you to deep condition. That's what I would do. That's what I did. I deep conditioned. I put, I like the Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep conditioner. And that's what I did. I put a deep conditioner in, even if it's a 3-minute type of thing, something that is very nourishing to your hair. Okay, you let that sit on for the directed time. I don't know. I normally sleep in mine overnight, and then in the morning I finish my hair. So deep condition, deep condition, deep condition. That's very important. Once you deep condition, don't put anything in your hair, okay? If you have a good deep conditioner, you take your Denman brush and you can section your hair, and you should be able to, if you've been treating your hair well, this is going to be very controversial what I'm about to say. If you've been treating your hair well, you should be able to detangle your hair without product. Did you hear the word end? Without product. You don't need product to detangle your hair. You don't need it, okay? So what I did, after I deep conditioned, I took my deep conditioner out. I detangled my hair. I sectioned my hair in 4, and I began to detangle, roll my hair up, all that good stuff, okay? Once I was done with that, I had no product on my hair, and I took my, what is it? The spray, heat protectant, in the section that I wanted to flat iron, and I just spray, and then I went in and kind of pulled that section apart. I know I should probably do a video showing you this, but I can't right now. I'm just going to tell you the steps. And then flat iron with just blow dry. So with the tension method, I don't want to do it now because, you know, my fro's back. But use the tension method, blow dry your hair. Make sure you already have your heat protectant on your hair. That is very important. Very freaking important. Do not forget your heat protectant or you will burn your hair. I use the tension method so I don't keep breaking it using a brush and a comb and a brush and a comb and a brush and a comb and blowing at the same time. I don't want to break my hair. So I use the tension method when I blow dry my hair. Once my hair is all blowed, I do it section by section, and each section I do in a big loose twist, and then I move to the next section. I do a big loose twist, and I move to the next section. Okay, once I'm done with blow drying, I go back to one section that's, I cool shot. Each section, as I'm done blow drying it, I use a cool shot on each section, okay? Once I'm done, I go back to the first section that I did the first time, that I blow dried the first time, I section that off in a very small section. I used a small tooth comb, fight me, a small tooth comb, and I take my flat iron that's set at 400 degrees, nothing more. Nothing more. Your heat protection normally does not work over 410 degrees. And this is what people don't know and why they get heat damage. Read your labels. If it's a good heat protectant, it will be honest and say, sis, we gonna burn after 410 degrees, okay? So I put my hair on 400 degrees. That's it. My flat iron on 400 degrees. And then I use the chase method. Well, first I spray another light coat of heat protectant. I use the tension method, and then, not the tension method, excuse me, the chase method, and I flat iron my hair. And that's it, okay? And if I feel like I need a little curl, as I'm flat ironing, I curl at the same time. You should not need more than 2 passes, okay? 2 passes. No more than that. More than that, you're going to burn your hair, okay? So the key things that I just said is little to no product on clean, evenly clean and deep conditioned hair, okay? Heat protectant. Your flat iron on no more than 400 degrees. When you blow dry, you need to blow dry on tension hair. Tension method. Use the tension method. It's much safer. When you're using a round brush and you're flat ironing, you're breaking your hair. You're breaking it. You're breaking it. And you can lightly do that if you want, lightly, but not on, to me, I think you should use the tension method when your hair is fully wet. Excuse me. Use the tension method. And as it gets drier, like maybe 75% dry, then if you want to go through with your round brush, you can. But I suggest to be careful with the brushing and doing, like, it breaks your hair off. You look on the floor, you're going to see hair, okay? When I had my hair straight, I did not wet my hair. I did not use any creams where the first ingredient was water. I only used oils, okay? Dab of oil and did whatever I was going to do for the night. So if that's a Bantu knot, I would do a Bantu knot and Bantu my whole head and go to sleep, take them out in the morning, and I had those nice curls. And I'm sure you saw it in one of my videos there. And that's all. That's the key. The keys are, I'm going to go over them one more time before I end this video. Thoroughly cleanse your hair, okay, with a shampoo with sulfates in it, not sulfate free, because you want your hair to be as clean as possible. You need an even, clean slate, okay? Deep condition your hair with a very good deep conditioner that's going to moisturize, nourish your hair. Leave it on for the directed time. Moisturize your hair. Once you rinse that out, do not put anything on your hair. No leave-ins, no oils, nothing, okay? Nothing. The fourth thing you need to do is get a good heat protectant. A good heat protectant is going to block damage from your hair up to 410 degrees, and it will say it on the bottle. If you cannot find one that does not say it on the bottle, do not use it. That's simple. Get a new one. Fifth, blow dry your hair with the tension method for at least 75% away if you want to use the round brush after to get a really straight look, really straight blow dry. I don't mind the texture. I got light texture, but I got texture. Then do that. But the fifth thing is blow dry with the tension method. It minimizes the breakage in your hair. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm just telling you what I see in my own hair, okay? And the sixth thing you do is flat iron on 400 degrees, okay? 400 degrees, no more in my opinion. All right? The seventh thing you do is you use the chase method when you're flat ironing. Okay? Those are the 7 tips to blow drying your hair, not causing heat damage, getting your curls to bounce back. No heat damage. Do you see any heat damage? No, I'm foreseeing it. Do you foresee any heat damage? No, 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 no. So follow those steps, and I wanna say I guarantee you shouldn't have a problem unless your hair is super fragile and thin and already damaged. But thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you use these tips, what tips you've used in the past, what tips of mine that I just told you you're gonna try. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and you have an amazing, amazing day. Bye.